Welcome. Let's talk about how to buy a home in 2024. We'll guide you through the buying process. So, let's get started. Before diving into the home buying process, assess your finances. Figure out what you are comfortable with for a payment. Saving for a down payment is an essential step in buying a home. Set aside income monthly. The better your credit, the better your chances are of securing a favorable mortgage rate and low down payment. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is a smart move before you start house hunting. This action boosts your reputation to sellers. Research your real estate market, see what is available in your area. Working with a real estate agent can make the home buying process much smoother. They negotiate on your behalf. Start house hunting. Buying a home is a significant investment. Once you find a home you love, it's time to make an offer. Your agent will guide you. Be prepared for negotiations with the seller to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Before finalizing the purchase, it's essential to complete a home inspection and appraisal. These steps protect you from buying a home with hidden problems. Once the inspection and appraisal are complete, finalize the mortgage. Then sign the paperwork and officially become a homeowner. Congratulations, you have successfully learned home buying. Good luck on your journey.